AI is already changing cybersecurity jobs. Some beginner tasks are being automated, and companies are using AI to detect threats faster than humans.
And thousands of people are entering cybersecurity hoping for remote six-figure careers. So now everyone is asking, is cybersecurity still worth it in 2026? Will AI replace cybersecurity jobs? Is the market already too saturated? And is it too late for beginners to start? Here's the truth.
Cybersecurity is not dying, but the field is changing faster than most people realize.
The people who adapt will have massive opportunities. The people chasing shortcuts will struggle.
In this video, you'll learn why cybersecurity demand is still exploding, how AI is changing security careers, which cybersecurity jobs are safest for the future, the real entry-level situation nobody talks about, salary expectations in 2026, and the smartest way beginners should start today. Because one mistake is causing thousands of beginners to quit cybersecurity before they ever land their first job. And most people don't realize they're making it.
Now let's talk about why cybersecurity is still growing. Every year, the digital world gets bigger, and every new technology creates new security risks. Think about how businesses operate today. Employees work from home, airports, coffee shops, personal devices. Companies rely on cloud platforms, AI tools, mobile apps, APIs, online payments, remote collaboration systems.
10 years ago, many businesses operated mostly inside office networks. Now, data moves everywhere. This is called the attack surface. And the attack surface is growing insanely fast.
That's why cyberattacks are increasing across hospitals, banks, schools, governments, factories, small businesses. And attackers are smarter than ever. Imagine arriving at work one morning and every computer screen says, "Your files have been encrypted. Pay $5 million in Bitcoin." That's not a movie scenario. Real companies are experiencing this right now. Some businesses lose millions of dollars, customer trust, legal compliance, operations for days or weeks. And here's the important part.
Cybersecurity is no longer optional. In 2026, security is treated like a business survival issue.
Executives now ask, how vulnerable are we? What happens if we get breached? How fast can we recover? Are we compliant with regulations? That pressure creates demand for professionals like SOC analysts, cloud security engineers, incident responders, governance specialists, threat hunters.
But here's what most beginners misunderstand. Cybersecurity is not only about stopping hackers.
It's about business continuity, risk reduction, protecting customer trust, keeping systems operational. And as long as businesses depend on technology, cybersecurity demand will continue growing.
But here's where things get complicated. If AI can already detect threats faster than humans, then what cybersecurity jobs will still exist 5 years from now?
Now, let's talk about how AI is changing cybersecurity. AI is already transforming cybersecurity. Modern security tools now use AI for threat detection, malware analysis, behavioral monitoring, automated response, alert prioritization.
And honestly, that's a good thing, because security teams receive thousands of alerts every single day. Humans alone cannot keep up anymore.
AI can instantly detect impossible travel logins, unusual account behavior, suspicious file execution, network anomalies, much faster than a person manually reviewing logs. This means repetitive security tasks are becoming automated. Some entry-level work that junior analysts used to perform manually is disappearing. That includes basic alert sorting, repetitive monitoring, simple reporting, signature matching. And this is where many people panic. They think AI is replacing cybersecurity jobs. But that's not actually what's happening. AI is replacing repetitive work, not human judgment. Because during a real cyber attack, companies still need humans to answer questions like, should systems be shut down? Is customer data compromised? Is the attacker still inside the network? What is the business impact? Should leadership notify customers? Are backups safe?
AI still struggles with understanding business context and critical thinking. This limits its effectiveness in strategic decision-making and communication under pressure.
And cybersecurity is not only technical, it's operational, it's business-driven, and during major incidents, human decisions matter massively. That's why these careers remain extremely valuable in 2026. Incident response, cloud security, penetration testing, security architecture, governance and compliance, threat hunting, identity and access management. The biggest shift is this. Cybersecurity professionals now work with AI instead of competing against it. The people most at risk are those relying only on repetitive skills. The people growing fastest are building deeper capabilities like networking fundamentals, cloud security, scripting, SIM platforms, automation, risk analysis, communication skills.
During a cyber attack, security teams must explain complex risks clearly to executives, legal teams, customers, management. That human skill still cannot be automated effectively.
Now let's talk about the biggest lie many beginners believe about cybersecurity.
The internet makes it sound like you can watch a few videos, get one certification, and immediately land a six-figure remote job. That expectation destroys careers before they even begin. The real entry-level cybersecurity situation. Cybersecurity is absolutely possible to enter in 2026.
But it is not an instant career. And that's where many beginners fail.
Most successful cybersecurity professionals did not start directly in advanced security roles.
Many began in help desk, IT support, system administration, networking roles. Why? Because cybersecurity builds on IT fundamentals. To secure systems, you first need to understand how networks operate, how operating systems behave, how users create security risks, how businesses actually use technology. This foundation still matters enormously. A realistic beginner roadmap looks like this. Learn IT fundamentals. Build networking knowledge. Practice hands-on labs. Learn security concepts. Earn beginner certifications. Gain practical experience. Continue specializing.
Reading theory alone is no longer enough. This is why labs are so important.
Good cybersecurity learning should include virtual labs, attack simulations, real-world scenarios, practical exercises.
And for beginners, one of the strongest starting certifications is still CompTIA Security Plus. Platforms like UCertify help beginners practice through hands-on labs, assessments, mobile learning, certification prep. Courses like Cybersecurity Fundamentals, Cybersecurity Essentials, Security Plus Test Prep can help build beginner-level confidence and practical understanding. Now the question arises, is cybersecurity still worth it in 2026?
Absolutely. But the field is evolving rapidly. The easy and repetitive work is increasingly automated.
The valuable professionals are the ones who understand systems deeply, adapt continuously, think critically, stay calm under pressure, build real practical skills.
Cybersecurity remains one of the strongest technology careers because digital risk keeps growing every year.
Every company depends on technology, and every technology system creates security challenges.
The demand is not disappearing. The skill expectations are simply rising. That's the real shift happening in 2026.
So if you're serious about entering cybersecurity, start with fundamentals. Learn networking and systems. Practice consistently. Build hands-on experience. Use labs and simulations. Earn beginner certifications. Stay adaptable.
Do not chase shortcuts. Build real capability. Because cybersecurity in 2026 is harder than many people expected. But that's exactly why opportunities still exist. Most people quit when things become difficult.
The people who stay consistent become the professionals that companies fight to hire. And that opportunity is still very real. If you found this video helpful, hit the like button and subscribe to the channel for more cybersecurity career guides, certification roadmaps, and industry insights.